Very good morning, children. This is NSVP Purnima, your social sciences teacher. Welcome to our chapter 10, lesson 10, travel and tours, part 1, video 1. Children, in the vacation time, many people they'll plan for a tour or trip, isn't it? Everyone enjoys to go for a tour, either elders or young ones, kids. Isn't it, children? You also love to go and see different new places and all, right? If it is a nearby place, we can plan our own, like transport, accommodation, food, everything. But if we are planning to visit a far away place to another state or abroad, how to plan a journey, how to plan a tour. Planning a holiday trip is easy, children, but implementing that plan is not that easy. While planning a trip, one has to keep in mind a lot of things and has to put a lot of effort to ensure an enjoyable holiday, children. Money is certainly the biggest factor. When you are taking your family on a trip, you cannot hold them back all the time when they want to buy something, eat something, and go places. Isn't it, children? You cannot force them to compromise with comfort and convenience while staying in hotels, but cannot afford to book five-star hotels every venue as well. So, what's the way of ensuring a memorable holiday without putting too stress on the pocket? Well, the answer is holiday packages. There are several advantages of choosing a tour package rather than arranging everything on our own, children. First one is cost saving. The biggest advantage is cost saving. If we try to book everything starting from airfare to hotel room on our own, we'll surely end up spending unnecessarily. If we add the individual costs, the amount will be quite high. But if we choose a holiday package, the total amount, which would include cost of everything, would be far lesser. The simple reason behind that is the company offering us the holiday package is much more aware of the best airfares, hotel tariffs, and rates of every other thing, children. Next one is zero headache. The second reason why a holiday package is better is zero headache. By choosing a holiday package, we actually get rid of all activities starting from booking flight tickets, checking out, accommodation, availability at hotels, and booking rooms. Everything will be done on our behalf by the tour operator and would simply be paying the charge. Next one, complete tour. Another big advantage of tour packages is complete tour, children. It might be difficult for us to complete all tourist spots at an unknown city or town. We might manage to make a complete list, but some spots may remain unvisited due to shortage of time. Holiday packages are designed specially to cover all major spots in a place so that customers get best value for their money. Next one is best services. The fourth reason why we should always opt for a holiday package is availability of best services. By opting for an all-inclusive holiday package, we can enjoy the best of all services available at a hotel, starting from accommodation to facilities like swimming pool, spa and all. Booking a spa session or dining at the restaurant separately will surely cost much higher, children. Next, the last one is safe traveling. The last factor in favor of holiday packages is safe traveling. Companies that offer tour packages are completely aware of situations in a particular place, the risks and the safe zones, and hence we can enjoy a safe holiday. By planning a trip on our own, we may fall in trouble at an unknown place. Understood, children? So, better we have to opt a holiday package. Then who will arrange all these things? The travel agent from a traveler. Children, in this lesson, Vikas and his father, Mr. Marva, went to incentive travels at Defense Colony to meet the travel agent, Mr. Gujral. He showed them brochures of various holiday packages to different parts of India and abroad. Some packages included everything, means air train fare, boarding, lodging, sightseeing, hotel bookings, meals, extra. But some packages were limited to airfare and lodging only. Children, see, this is called a brochure. Commonly we can name it as brochure, but we have to pronounce it as brochure. A brochure is a flyer, pamphlet or leaflet that is used to give information about some place. Like this it will be. See this tour and travel, their phone number and places given here. Then Vikas and his father decided to take the brochures home to finalize the holiday program. Why? Because Vikas' mother and sister are waiting at home. So, they took these brochures to home and they want to finalize the program together. Vikas' mother and sister studied the brochures and the family decided to visit which place, do you know, children? Can you guess? Kerala. God's own country. It's a beautiful place, children. It's a popular tourist destination. Mr. Marva paid the travel agent by check for their air tickets, booking at the resort, sightseeing and meals. Everything. They took the full tour package. Vikas' family took a flight from Kamraj terminal of Chennai airport and reached Cochin airport, children. A taxi took them to the resort at Munnar. Already they have booked. A distance of 105 kilometers from the airport. There their journey started. See children, this is the brochure of Kerala tour. Backwaters, about Kerala, what are the festivals will celebrate in Kerala, wildlife sanctuary. Like this, the brochure will be inside. Next, this is Kerala map, children. Kerala state map, only Kerala state. Here this is, which map this is? India political map. And here the Kerala, here the black part, this one. See, this is Kerala map. And children, the resort arranged the sightseeing tour for the Marva family by taxi, children. In 3 days, they visited many places like Mattupatti Dam, Echo Point, vast tea plantations. I will show you. See how beautiful tea plantations, isn't it? Tea Museum, Nilgiri Reserve, and the beautiful place Anaimudi, children. What is the speciality you know? This is the highest peak of South India, named as Anaimudi, the highest peak of South India. The family were overjoyed to see numerous waterfalls. They also enjoyed massages at an Ayurvedic center. Do you know, children? Kerala is a popular tourist destination for traditional Ayurvedic treatment, especially the massages, children. Children, Ayurvedic medicine is a system of traditional medicine native to India which uses a range of treatments including Panchakarma, 5 actions, yoga, massage, acupuncture and herbal medicine to encourage health and well-being, children. Children, on the 4th day, Vikas and his sister joined a group of tourists and went on cycle ride to explore the beauty of tea gardens around Munnar, children. They also enjoyed an elephant ride. Next, the Marva family decided to see the famous Periyar Tiger Reserve, children. This is Periyar Tiger Reserve. It was a fascinating ride over water. They managed to see a tiger as well. See? Next. After spending 5 more wonderful days, the family came back to Cochin. They went for a houseboat. This is houseboat cruise to enjoy the backwaters of Kerala. Do you know, children? Backwaters are inland lakes that are formed by the to and fro movement of seawater at beaches. The backwaters of Kerala are connected by a network of canals, children. Next, what is this? It's a dance form. Which dance this is? Yes, Kathakali. Vikas family enjoyed the spicy food of Kerala and Kathakali dance during the cruise, which was included in the package. Children, Kathakali is a form of dance with roots back to India many centuries ago. It's a storytelling form of dance made up of actors who use mudras or hand gestures that convey the dialogue of their individual character as well as bhava, or using facial expressions to show the internal state of their characters, children. So this is about lesson 10, part 1, video 1 about the Vikas family trip to Kerala. Interesting, no? Now follow the assignment, children. First one, Periyar Tiger Reserve is in dash. Second one, the highest mountain peak of South India is dash. Third one, Vikas' mother and sister studied the dash. Fourth one, Kerala is well known for dash. Fifth one, dash is known as God's own country. Thank you, children. We'll meet in the part 2, video 2. Thank you.